Okay, assalamu alaikum I just want to make a special catcher here about the recent Nyomo Balia and Safo because Nyo Sabo Kerana Molbe opinion on Seala. I had my fair share, but for some reasons I decided to keep quiet because Abedada Wanyama Ntebe Memfolande Mantranum Binder Kuto. I questioned a public official and I called out Nyamaton in Kulubalo Memo Yunus Hyderati. And then I went quiet, as I should, to give peace a chance. But I'm here to make clarification on one, Yunus Hydra, and two, Memphamo baby problem of coma. Problem one, I think we need to call it as it is, because no wonder it is going to drag on forever. Problem one will never be solved, and then Ebajalako, Nyo Sabonye Nyo Baliabeta Jela. So Nimen Diamodo ko mo jawolti Karla Kule Bekono. Amanyana Futalaura. I think we should just tell each other the hard fact. Kumo Banje. Namamba me yadron je kumo tonya fola ko tonya foring kola isalan kudo le bedo anu membe sele nyantala yafo ay senea and I'm not just going to go here of course me talib to folale and don't criticize lale. I will criticize him and then me Yunus Haidara fana mbala kumo fola janne and why he is sounding this bitter and angry. Because I can remember for yala mobile he's very bad at he's very terrible at hiding his emotions, feelings and desires. He cannot, use the right words to express himself. Me alon ka batin na lakawo abe mento italon na toleo maono alay toleo bali wala na diam ta dron ikalon ne kuben kono dinde wala but Yunus man kumaya. So first of all, after memfola mol me yalon ko yin conversation about poka and let me just start with us here and online mall. Nga dolje le ga fala li ndiamo bula. It's been 5 days ntamantra diamo kanyina I think na last post men fanka I hid it. And before I hid my post nsafo a few hours after hiding my post because melung doku dula ni mole diamuta amari ngai dandala ko I understand what you are saying and I understand what you want from me. I am going to do the needful and that is just to get rid of the post on Facebook. Post me along talib la conduct Jamal question and I have no regrets whatsoever because it's an elected official. Remember that, please. Let's begin from there. An elected official. I did that at a time when Lawyer Dabo's integrity was being questioned. I did that at a time that Lawyer Dabo was being scrutinized for actions that he did or did not do when he was vice president, and I think that is very, very fair. Nimbe munyumfulol kuntaki kang wala mbela kumol fokang with regards to the flag bearer. I think that's just normal. So I think many year longo ebe kumol fokang. Let me just start with the biggest nafikol me yalongo wala be nyumko complex nika. Ka fo komenko this is a process. Nimpati yo men tombondoro mbe bulala wole noma ata molbi yal ne dangan yobe dabe okay patio men tombong ibe bulala wole noma kodi patio tumando ba to jikobi je 99.9% lawyer enam Ousainou Darboe adu ngawlo nyame wala nyindiko contradiction wala ñu lokko moko e konning patio men tombo e bolta la andu e ko fanan nin lawyer Darboe loda talibte lola dote lola ye ñina fo. In fact, I think Talib himself said that. So Lawyer Darboe made this pronouncement not once. Ko niaja mallo isalon sa salamol alalayata. He has expressed his desire explicitly. Malo, how clear you want him to be again about this matter, but he's very clear. So, and I think this is where you become like a self-suppressed group of people. Because ninga tarnunko abe clear wenya matola candidate ko he's not going to alkal ngani yobe meye dolbeje or at least you say you are open to anyone me alonko wolbe lola Lawyer Darboe ay tandila ko mbe contest lale dol jama bije wol ko ni Lawyer Darboe lola te lola including Talib. So diamo banta jeldo saying if you are not satisfied with Lawyer Darboe's candidature which is very normal, okay, not nonko e ma like alta kila no horomanta yakono alta sonna alla struggle ni o alla position ni alta son almanya na sonna mo membe ko Yunus Haidara mo global tinyari mo me ya longo abe malbali ada man la Facebook janga def ngay wolone almanya na sonna we ka la fest al nyanda dala through the right channels al nin Darboe fo diam and then in fact also futano party executive mala aliya la kuma kan alta aliya futandije but nakita ko amam futali woto membal to wala hindi ko nin dabo tamita dal ba bulala normal drone. I think comme Abubakar kamen fale drone alnyanda ka wala ke. You need to fall in line now because Dabo has made it very categorically clear ko abe contest lale. And this is where you try to make to confuse people. At a certain level, that it cannot be that cheap. We are not stupid. Dabo said explicitly ko abe contest lale neaja among contests. The only exceptions could be incapacitation one way or the other or death. Wole sa tinano at a contest la. This is very explicit. How clear do you want this to be? Prekano. Dabo kabe contest lale. This is clear. So now you still want to tell us ko dolbe economy along ko dolbe jevang karanal lamu ikapareka mol confuse process ola nyenti ngale ko nafika it began from there, the confusion began from there wolle be nyin patio ko ne betnyaro kekan. Dabo is clear ko abe contest lale. And bring me to get a multi Spain, Menotara Spain convention on Indo. Dabo has echoed this. So what? And this is what they have seen explicitly, and not just from Dabo, but people telling Dabo ko left telelo. In fact, when they speak, you see that in their rhetoric. Komola for Dabo e odulado ha ebe contest lale and mo lela kano itando Dabo la, especially in the diaspora. New convention on ya bejeloko is we just held this convention to solidify Dabo, and there's nothing wrong with that. Dabo kala intention moment. Any party member is alleged to alale. Therefore, I think I will apply personally. I will apply for the position. But this is where the difference comes. Talib, was it strategic? I told member Talib, because then I'll criticize without giving you advice, and options. Talib, was that a smart political pronouncement? I think no. To say explicitly go, Nindabo ya nyinila. You may think this is gross, but it's not gross. Okay? Narunko atola desire betena, wartal feten, and this is how hard you want to fight. Talib manyana pronouncement. That's one political mistake and misstep from Talib. Number two political mistake and misstep from Talib was bring Talib Lora explicitly, Kafo Komenko, he is not going to run for a third term as mayor. That was another political miscalculation on the side of the young politician. He should not have made those pronouncements. He should not have made those pronouncements. Because allow, I wish you could just forget that and regardless. Unless he's going to be president, he should just contest. Because KMC Mankebula is ready. And it's a very important place. Ne Talib Bondi Jumale promise ko memina belola ja. Adam baro wodla to jareta ko belale. I palaso nying I release le. And the same way I will criticize Rohim Malik Law for that. They should not have made those pronouncements. They should have attached a very strict condition to it. Wala go ni UDP win that, but ni UDP ma win. It will be a stepping down. It's a mistake. They all made a mistake in that regard. They should not have made those pronouncements. But I just want to ask a question here. Hakilma Alfalma Mirako, that pronouncement Kafokomenko, Talib Kate contest for a third term as mayor of KMC. Obati Nalako, Talib will feel the urge, or at least Menubad Bala, the strategies, and everybody, many of Palaso Mania, Hakilo Bela, a political farm. It I feel like Talib Nina Mala chance because Ninyad and the next one is not going to be mayor. I'm not making a declarative statement here. Whether I'm clear to you or not, I am trying to ask a question. This is this is an interrogative question. I'm asking you, those that not have an impact on Muneatina, these people are trying to force things in one way or the other. Because Talib Zaraye for a third term come next election cycle, 2027, I think. So that was another young mistake on the side of the young politician. And then the third issue here with Talib is that Menuba Bala, and if you tell them this, they become angry. A politician in his 30s, when we try to say things, you think we are just critics with no advice whatsoever. No. This boy has not been in politics for more than 10 years. If talking about the Gambian politics and political career, I have been in this politics longer than Talib. Politician, for example, and I'm not saying that is the standard, but come like your participation in politics, less civic rights, but if it all has to be judged by whether or not you speak publicly about it. I have been in politics longer than Talib, and Talib is older than me. He is a very, very young politician. We are not saying there is no chance for him anywhere down the road. We are not saying that. What we are saying is, don't you not think you are forcing things and it is somewhat premature? Of course, I do not belong to Esa Fal's party, but this was my concern about him because that's one person I am comfortable with, that regardless of particular or Namandra particular, if he becomes president, I am not going to lose my sleep because Esa Fal is president. Because I know his values and I know what he stands for. I don't care if I support his party or I'm on board his agenda or not. I know that I will not be suppressed. So he gave me a reason not to be fearful of an Esa Fal president. When he started his political career right after TRRC, I was dissatisfied because Ngalonko is going to be a completely different ball game. I wish he had joined UDP. Okay, and there are vibrant politicians within the United Democratic Party. Many alongo. And I am just happy to have them finally yedadun the political within the UDP. Ala lonko UDP la mo competent ringol fangol be man raframa dolbe dumale volkan tol jibe tane rek katara Facebook, YouTube, laldo be they scroll very competent people, very knowledgeable people. And I have said this over and over. One of the reasons that even motivates me to keep speaking about politics is to trigger some of those people to come out. They are more well educated than us. They are more competent than us. Let them come out. But maybe imagining ability, they do not have, want to take up this, very difficult task of coming out to speak publicly. But when it comes to delivery, it only moja malala. So do you not think I'll be mistake all kekante? And the other issue about Eunice Hydra, and I'll come back a little bit into point or mina nanjero mandi. Eunice Hydra na diamu dollar sura, and that's ongoing. I'll not jump la jebake because woma fansung busundangolti. Yalam busundang bi jela kudew bi o ma fansum busundang. Apparently Yunus ya kulubali ani marabali amenga anu dalilo ma ya Yunus trigan kana wala fale. But before I tell you that, I want you to know ye fengo way about Yunus Hydra, that was not sufficient for a lot of prominent UDP members. Many yalong ko so-called equatorial bill for process lele ibige from declare ko mo double whatsoever. Imamira ko that is sufficient grounds pour que Yunus Hydra mudaka expel party kono pour que Yunus Hydra mudaka bondi even in a WhatsApp group yalong ko diamla le katara. But anyway, I don't think that's more very important. But I think Yunus deserves some sort of punishment. Kaitandalago. Not just you, but Momo Kabe Suman Nanyan, Ikobe party divided. Even outsiders, many man can party dingode. Iko Yunus Hydra is dividing the party. And the United Democratic Party apparently is unable to deal with the issue of Yunus Hydra. Imagine that Alabanda video mengela kamanava couple fellow UDP members. Abe UDP Jumaldo, Abe party Jumaledo. Amanda UDP. The guy said Alama Ale Gambia Tamka UDP Masibola. That's what he said in the past. Okay? Another koteke in his defense of Talib, Talib is a bading olum. Yeah, understand. So yala wobe aitandile ko nyimano, nyimala fi UDP la nya bading ola je UDP, and he thinks it is convenient for him to come. Now bading was spring that at politician yala, at presidency la, cool base beria. But Yunus is lazy. It's not just yala nyimo sifal bijel menalon ko kom. Imagine wo dindin tole sifa dindin ma ano katara patakiri ni mulia ki ya onasa na balanda ya jufara ya sinde blackling na bara akaja hakilo ka dia school. I have friends like this. Many of them are very, very socially awkward. Yeah, understand. But they are intelligent at school. Yunus is not different. Yunus more typical in case if you do not know him. That's how it is. I mean, I'll become Altalia and become a name. Didn't buy no, didn't me along Kamala childhood enjoy. Yeah, understand. So wole abulan wole farato ba fe nyole. Imagine na be diam la hanala comme nenenga men fodon Dr. Ismaila Cissé la kuro. Dr. Ismaila Cissé na diamu de ka jat to ko men ka fenne ni me alon ko le kuliya dare. So Yunus fanang with regards to Ismaila fana ka lon ka men fana fa mantara ni harama ngolo ka na kama. So bar Yunus fana na diamu de ka men jato wala nyini ko nyin kam men fo competence ni mantara ye. Hakilo la karola. Naya daile ninko competence man raja. I'm trying to nicely tell you ko tolelem mo futa balolam asono mo futa dara. So bar mune Yunus trigger Yunus is very aklubali ata bake another WhatsApp group on konole nka fo diamo bela because apparently he's not being punished enough. But some people think when first will be the subject of discipline. I'm dying to wait for that moment when somebody try to say me and punishment within UDP mbal ko jala jan menyo dandula jala jan. I'm particularly angry about that, but I'm not even going to talk about that for now. But the moment Yunus Hydra punish, I'm condemn. In fact, some of the people say they are not going to condemn Yunus Hydra without condemning me. And no, Yunus Hydra came out explicitly at the topic explicitly. I double a family ning a land issue in race, and then at the same time I fenko race. Malamba flag bearer is race, which we all agreed before ko momanyanda mala. Nayama aka men support kuna nante diamlo ndo mari nde fem fulala goto. Why do you think we are not going to go after the records of somebody that Yunus Haidara kwal after wale keje? So alon kana nyone. Unless the party does something about it. Nim party ye cookie about Yunus then salonko. Okay, now the two are separated, but as of now they all share one thing in common. Wala ni ko ebemo UDP. I don't think UDP mental criticism. So may Yunus Haidara may ya trigger. Let me just tell you. According to himself, because another jela I group kono I audio keja. And I'm going to say this here very explicit. Tole dem asono mo manfuda ate ko ala diamodo bara anat lay kulubali ya diamol fuja nendirol fo ndela diamoy ko le mutinyar ko modo but we wait for that don kude doldi comme gamem palero busun na wala wadi anata diamol Yunus la diamola ending the last word that he said in his audio was shit kafo kebal be kafo men kono itana te diamoda wol ka wonyama ikafo al manke to nyamoda in faka kana raka ko yo kanole lala ko le atina fintita nan ka diamo anda ko e mun kanne lala alila mo Yunus Haidara, without camera mandra damendo in Spain, apparently, meeting be agreed ko camera data ye. Iko Yunus ya bolo sairo lekeje. Iko Yunus ko mo hadaba di wala mati aman timma ika ko ateman timma ye yamfu ama. Ay mennuke ala barolla. O baro monede. Wala tata marabali ya ko mo men fokan dabo. Yunus ko ye yamfama. Akaman timma. Yunus ya nyinef. Miten dollars mo diamula kilim fula saba bar Yunus la na anar me ya sama nanje wala nyindi ko kana o ko nyin ka wal dibonk an wo kono ay kebal nanjela because akana take fanya da ko men photo amanka to ad mo jamale ya ko mo fo ko Yunus ya wala in fa ka te fo man na bala no ko what is his problem kana yala ka tara la nyina alka ajame na Facebook beside that amanda wala mera kala marbali yake o groupe wala fanado kana ja kan trigger je kana je ka wala firon ke yetum kana dula to damendo la try to make himself feel like at his distinct and unique and different, just like aka Kenya on Facebook aka tara nyum front floor belt. So why do you think Yunus should stay in any UDP WhatsApp group? Meya Longo is not open to the general public. Why do you think? Kuma jamala fraje, which I will not even say here as of now, because the Kontafana Lakwo is under review and I'm waiting patiently, dying to hear from those people so that I can call them by their government names and attribute them to their right tags. Their right tags, what they are. Everybody should be given a tag. Nimabeng. Everybody, including myself. Nobody's above criticism. So, UNESCO, diamudula ako Spain, mo le ade to yo mama nyada ngoma rito ya ko le ade wala ko atenyanta nyanta microphone di la fana e ko nyanta flow di la fana la diam badi on kaso le jam nin kute Yunus to ka fo dronko kariye Yunus to di la ko Yunus ye diamu Yunus fana diamu ya flow di Yunus la ay diamu. Is there anything wrong with that? Itata J pati la dulado ya jiko in fact guy, do you know that Yunus used to call me just for assurance? Because I feel like he's been marginalized within UDP. Billah, he was like, I have been on call with Yunus more than 3 times, different occasions, and so within different years. I'm not coming, I just come and prove because I just want to make sure, but I think it's even more than 3. Multiple times the Yunus can't have call. Try come and go. UDP manke outside you don't have to agree with everybody. It's an institution. It's a democratic institution. You don't have to be on board with coming many along if you will cool run kang. Nini will fall out, or any bayman dia ma for as an entity ye nya kasila, but come like individual tenga o manke fenti. I don't get along with everybody. Ni mo bayman kuya, but ni dolphin mandia. And the same is true for everybody. You are fully here. In security 101, what be Yunus Haidara Fenyola? Nkamen fala dindin tole mo mala dindi ya enjoy. Another Facebook I just say mo kemen fenkala post like no ika comment keno je mo me yalon ko account na bugalo non blado mo me yalon ko mo be ya sabuna mutale no mo me yalon ko mo ma mutano fenti ko nyokan fo dindi num pata jino wala ma nyamo nyindi tay wala na akaka fanke mole mo karanalti ndenga science le karan wendenga science ni men kara wende hakilo frame nyame wala ninga kol jenge critique to le bonang tole wula no nimisoti billah wallahi taala ni ñom sa akamana critique so e ko ya flodi Yunus la pour ay diamo in Spain apparently Yunus yo wala kay kasoti apparently Yunus yow la ke kasoti Yunus ko afon la be nyim fo kan ko ya commandi ka fo ya platform o dia la wala man dia ate yo feel otherwise so even wala man dia wo jareta bang kanana Facebook ay nyim manya sifal menge ayake menna ko mo summarize la dame wala nyindika Yunus Haidara menge is unacceptable andon anyanta bayla pati yo konole ni manke UDP ngati janna ena ay condemn le mol ka mol forgive le men yalon ko yen kumol fo manu inata barbira nata a joint ay menke wala tambida wala in fact ine mo membe meeting dula Spain yalla dul kamera fa nyi safero ke Angleterre ba Spain fon wala tan convention fon la damen to Spain akabe livo la jeldo amam hani boje utumo la tata nyim Facebook atara malbal yal ke jiba atara few hours before that anen dabo bebe siri ina dalol and also this meeting ngani meeting wala kumona dia because it's very important pour ya understand ko meeting ngin there was a purpose iko meeting ngin it will not be recorded ibaje la kuma jamal se kachano je mona na Yunus nem bato Allah anu be pare ata Yunus fo na ali la moy janna de ata fo Yunus ko yati to fo pour ay diamo meeting dular ala jibe jang opportunity man di nyimbo la bang on in a platform face to face with Dabo pour memba kono aya fo bang obe ko la dara si ay marbali yaf but apparently when the fala condemnation and calling out one person with the right tag wulam problem oti we shall see inshallah mbiri dwa si mayala nin jare kende Facebook bijan YouTube bijan TikTok bijan anu na lafta December en Gambia nol kata Gambia alim benga ben Gambia al balo na wolto ko jumala online character di anan jumala manke online character atol membe ni na yal fam passionate na I just want you to do one favor for me if you see me in Gambia ask me about one thing that I've said about Talib and I will tell you why I say I'm not an online character. Let me just say this here. If I want to create an online character and be an online character, I am going to do comedy. I am going to do content. I am going to be a content creator doing entertainment. In this politics, there is no I am not an online character. But I'm afraid Yunus Haidara is an online character. Because in reality, ya sindile ya nyininka, ya microphone, ya flow diala. Mokuma, patiola mokuma, wale ko Ali Yunus, alsafana so ideamu. I'm uncomfortable with it. Yeah, almost if I that's it online. In real life, he's so shy that he doesn't even want to speak to you or look at you in the face. Mo mali balo drone mat. Ya flow diala la aborta microphone la, aborta ka diamu. In fact, ko Yunus nena ya diamu dabo fel. Say almay ko di Yunus la, and I apology kede. Iko say al sefam ko diala fana diamu memba ko na safo. Ako meni a chodi wala wolmu mo lel meni ko atla kule be wol kono ay oke ko men wol bate bayndi kan to nyamo se nyin ko mo yafo ko mo lel boyda Yunus kan kulel kede Yunus la memman dia Yunus ye kulel kede Yunus la menu manyene kala Yunus la bari ngani membe fala this is not about Yunus, it's about people who with full knowledge of everything that happened wala ko itolbe marali UDP ku dolla je because ngalon ko ndol ngalon dolbi je they are fake for a long time ngolon. Okay, what Clement Canalo, Unisem Menke, they are equating it to me. Kontebe Menke Kang is not any different from Yunus. Fine. What I didn't Yunus be by. Not all the time UDP. But Yunus Haidara Menke, Haniman Manke UDP, this guy is not helping your party. About factional Nadiga. And again, let me emphasize what I said in the beginning. Ninga Taranunko, Alia feel that this is the right time for Talib to contest and double lotale double explicitly. Abe contest lale diamo banda banin diamo man banno Allah side it is your right, you have every right to go to Dabo again and I see and I diamo ya understand the options will not always be kafu nga Talib sindi it can include na Talib tambindi or ngajibe what will happen to Talib's political career natar nunko among contest 2026 because akata contest like mayodi. Do you not think Andolfe Nimumo Kendolte Anyanda Tambilale na sita he became irrelevant for 5 years politically Amandra Meyoyala? Do you not think that will render him some sort of what are sometimes politically, not personally, but like politically because 5 years is a long period of time, okay? So you have to present that problem to the party leadership and including the party leader himself. Ali afay ko ndol ngani yomu Talib ladi lafta ale Talib tambin ninye nga jara menke KMC ay nyinni nyine jang lafta ya nga Gambia ay tambi Gambia fana nyaado ay Gambia nyaaton kaya na man song na tar ko adi other option be kala nyine ko bari Talib nyanta lolale ale Talib fa ye bajela ko hani splitter maybe who knows we are going to go for a coalition in the future. You never know. We can even end up having a coalition in future 50+1 because Adam Barrow be quote Gambia le ya ona sana wo buga ate mo lef kat la kuma because ate mem for mo buga but ngo fana moyle ko abo kusival try kana maybe call sit down like tight naleta o sifala it can also happen. I'm talking about a hypothetical world. Nana dolba yewavla go is out, but this is hypothetics. Min lafta faham la kara nani kara mbalite ati je min lafta faham la kan membo also so asatara ko nse separate ya ona sana atra mang nyo daton jawya atra mang nyo kajafi atra mang nyo neng anu menna ko mo edana dame wala nyindiko elected official dole kay ento safele but naja aya delete and for me if somebody deletes a post that symbolizes a lot I didn't want to address it but ni na rente no as an elected official nteni motita na len to cross UDP la koro mo bugela kullo fo moy bari let me just tell you this about me ni mo gara back and forth I have to tell you imam maybe it is after it I expect but I will just go blunt and I'm not doing a back and forth I'm not doing a back and forth I open my case box yeah understand la file o the file number reference and everything nga put out there and nga diama ko nga tambala so wo elected official for CCLM ba malong yesin le mo lesin ni ko ba wulle na no be tapla la ngesin because you nyanta silale si be damen tek yetankum iman tankum metankum lale because in multinano mo ntenga criticism about Talib it was a matter of public record now wala question. Are you going to make any effort to make clarification on that? But moving forward, maybe you don't want to go back to that topic. But I just want to tell you, Ko, you cannot come after me as an individual, in that you try to even go after an entity. I'm not but many opposing you're trying to go after an entity that I have nothing or no affiliation with. That's ugly. Alkana sowala. So wala nanko, Alpha Party nyaton kolma, another nanko, you genuinely want Talib to contest by hook or by crook in 2027. Because Dabo ta for Dabo, it is clear ko for him father, walla alayala kulke. Man njato man sahaya, I became incapacitated one way or the other. That's very clear. But nimol kale ko alko no. I think the guy is young, and for him, political sumanda hana man silin ka fangosi. Aba sumanda juno le kono. Wallahi hana man silin ka si sakoti tilosi kandama sakoti losi boy. But you think that we are enemies? We are not. We are not. If you know me, I'm all about winning. I want a winnable candidate. And if we have Talib on board for Bill and for Samuel and for Sinin them, who knows, one day he is going to be one of those winnable candidates. Just like any other person, maybe a mind corner. But as of now, Dabo ko abe lolale. So again, I emphasize this. Dabo ko abe lolale. So nal ka fo mole ko, menu ka fo mole ko, processor blah 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 blah. Even nafiki alla de because Dabo ko abe lola so anu nyundol fanal ko Talib ko ning Dabo lota at a contest la so saying womuku bandingoldi as far as UDP flag bearer issue is concerned I think for every hakilima Talib is already ruled out and this is what I call ngafo again let me emphasize these people are a self-restrained group that pronouncement should not have been made if ko nyin jarete nyin diam jama babel wala maybe even more I don't know jarete monela. The pronouncement was not smart politically. And this is what I'm going to tell you. And this is my criticism of, Allah Mufsol. So, Albert Tengunare. Nalko, Altengun, they were going after me, especially WhatsApp group. I don't have time to respond to everybody, but I have time to make clarification on anything that is made on me, that is made about me. And especially, some of these people are deceptive. This is politics. We don't need to go personal. I responded to somebody. He mentioned me by my government name multiple times, affiliating me to things as one of the people. Menka Yunus Hydra counter. Killing ko Yunus Hydra akata condemn la. Killing ko Yunus member for fallen Tonya the front of cult party la diba. Neo as a UDP member, you trigger me. I go shower you. I go shower you. You just come from condemn make a Kenya will take off $1. You go from the cult party because you know you are not saying it in public. You think you'll get away with it. And things said there to other politicians, you didn't condemn that. This is my problem. Let's be consistent. Nico Deo never there in all throughout those days. But for some reason, some people thought I was still the problem. The most controversial post, so-called controversial post, hide. But that's not sufficient for them. They thought they were coming to come after me, including an elected officer. I haggled. Because now, anybody I know you are part of a particular political faction, I will come after the person. You cannot come after me as an individual. You're trying to intimidate me. Nge tapu. Ite moli ite sindi. Ite man si. Ite koko wuli kara wuli jumal no monite. Be tapula be sindi la tengu. I'm not an elected official. So like my final word is, Natar Nunko, you are completely dissatisfied with Dabo's candidature. I'll formal channel Solta and you echo your voice. I think that's also going to be very democratic. There's nothing wrong with it, to be very frank with you. Yeah, whatever. But that's how it's supposed to be done, because Dabo has made it clear. I think you guys need to have a go at Dabo himself. I'll let Dabo normally have a look, you know what, we think Talib should have this. You should do it. It is not an outrageous thing. It is not, it's a desire. But when you convey that desire, please make sure that you do not come across as a fear factor for the other people. Because if you become so passionate about your desire and you are willing to do so much for that desire without, paying attention or being cognizant of the fact that other people, many alonko imantarete favor follow, they can also ila desires keno ila fear tile ibe mistake okela. Your that desire can be our fear factor, but it is not as if we are thinking that whatever you are saying is impossible within a democratic system. No. Mbada najan. Mbamura nanyin topic orole. But like I said, I am not going back and forth with anybody. Ngasavero stop le ben noma. WhatsApp group oto bang. Dolby J Finarol dong. You know, I've seen videos. They try to make me look like I am the face of this. I am not the face of anything. Okay, I am not. Ndeka dele, mulka tarela savero ngatra je. Dolby J angela savero je make like make comment je. Okay, but what it may ya lonko. Maybe if I'm 110,000 followers, maybe you are not even. Ike fangela ko ita prominent ba. The Facebook. It take to post all like it got to post all comment. It got to comment la post all about the same topic. Even in lang ko naranko we want to help one another. Ndolko mbe mo party members ole ni ite mo UDP member ni ya ko safe sinya kili ngamira nyanta dandale anduna dandala ro ka ken mo len menti wala nyindi ko men yalon ka tulbe kalbe UDP le alal hakil tude ni be UDP ika dabo criticize weda fere to nyalamba wala molta yesute ko ite mo loya dabo la jawoldi wala man tra la fere loya dabo at this moment ilafta abonde la jele ilafta ay budget I jama bi je lesino men ngamen karam wala nyindi ko e jama kana laban ne ka bo je men keta sundu ture nyola men keta fabu sana nyola men keta lamen tunkara nyola. By the way, a meeting kele recently, I want to respond to some of the things that they said, because ndolma me struggle kono bari as bi jani yaya jame faling menu damendo wodmo nakeba do mbuga lef ka to fajam because mbuga ja after covering online atle ntanu mbala radio to so ya jama bolle je waru I was working at an online radio me yalonko was part of the struggle me yalonko fabu sana ni nyin ko doke dol fabu sana manjara nged be to fo bari diamla modol wol yalla be jumalela, but fabu was a regular guest wala nanteni fabu sana ka Facebook live keno. It was not even because of akanantela, it's because pruka ke ay radio nyo because nka broadcast le simultaneously. So some of them na kebal le mudu nga fendil lonne from that time, but they cook up the story trying to make themselves look as if it only hero di ndol mo di no de bar medal normal de nga fendi lonne. I don't, just like ñin dolbe menke can be trying to take over the party to be ko be jamfala dali lamu. Some of these people bring falling get wrong iko dabo ka bizile ay party handover, and they were later sent to that effect to wakara no leal ngam later all savele ke la nganiyo ta ka saka kayto bala ka ki dabo e mota be kalam bay wato na falling man ko le lo ya daw ya kuliya num back ya kuliya back bare birem falling ke ko ka bizile ay party handover bulu on mo ngadi ni dolbi jan wolbe online wot be ko ke fang bamba ni ko mo man tara ko kono de wotumo wol tije de alkana wala ko fon mi rajje de wol dati je wol mambo kalama imambo won mo be la youth activity lella itul ba kudo lel to dunia kono jana wotumo le wole tarol kita so obara je that same people fabu nyol dol natana iko fabu abe kamfar na famma bonda kan, and then one day ala audio leaked where he was discussing the Mboy Sherikan la taro Gambia, because Mboy was employed purkara foreign service dokwala ya understand as a diplomat. So Janika Mboy deploy, of course all of these people including Bamba Mas, they went to Gambia to get some sort of training. so mboy law taro Gambia ila ke kampara wala dara ay audio release ka ki I think Lamin Tunkara one of another head of Lawyer Daw by the way afana be do meeting otole yaka conference call la di meeting mulungo la ya record ka janjande so iko mboj Fabu Sana ko Lamin Tunkara was sorry Mboy Serigan was in Gambia ba politiko ki ka UDP nin da boy you know atara ko Gambia masakunda ba jokam bla 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 so yala biro findi da ron ngalon ko nyindo fana so malla fa le bula nyin ka follel kono mol me yalon ko loki ibe dabo kelela duma ke fam ferenda kan at the end of the day ifon le kana la bantala because to le dabo lon ne dabo moment me yalon ka ka diam ba na me de fon kanal ne ni nga en zude la mu bandi yol de ba ye zude iga yero exit do iga findi kata malla fale bula nyin ka fokon adon nimmeno kadi yamu jang diaspora boy solo kanyina fo e kana so moli e suute nyenna ni e suute nyenna membi da kala wala nyini go you will have to leave the party yourself or yetraje ya you feel uncomfortable and to be honest we can do very little for you ni fanko in that situation ite kana menje do wala pour dabo buje adu wala kala mo sanyi mo ne say mo ba tra kana wo man keno okay kabri ya jambe fon la desire ka je ko ay boje. By the way, lo ada wong amera kabrin wala 30 years 40 years yo ko pa kabra na politiko ko no pa be wala hani bi because ñun dol fana ko kafo be ke ba yalla tala ka advantage ya jambe fana wala use ko biri ya jambe bare je ñun dol na fabu na la mul but anyway ma fabu ñu la isu if I have time to do another video left audio ñum fon section dol be je segment dol be je left ko play because fabu ateka movie character movie le create aka fonke je main character ha bari sa fay ko law di ningol me ike fange ko you know ike karande political lel anyway mba ko discuss la in another program ala baraka bake kumol nak budon na ko yara me ise hakil to mas way okay bana di yara me fana alhamdulillah mbeba kukilin and again my ntela tarambulo mendi wala ndare back and forth kudo dawda nota dronka na ka jesin and set safuno that's what I do. Yeah, so the self-restraint group ngal konton ngal tendu ngal jayi ngal kono do diamen al kana mi ngal ketul wallahi alazim mfe ko wala malla solution odi al yal famfo wo nyama ko al you want to talk to the party leader or the leadership about a Talib candidature but nal ma woke dorong ibaje la ko diamo nyi ngata bannola ani dama fana ngata comment section o de ba fala mo le ko al diamo bla ni botante e kata bla do me dama defana mo ne ge kan ida fana be diamo nyi baba ndo def almost 5 to 6 days now man diamo nyi ko bari ko te dala ibakang ay adol le nyin yalla ko nal lafta mo kilingo me mason ko bula na lafta amari mutal al kamenge al kamo be de fali adama bula nali adama bula na mi da kan dal na ma fanje nali ya ay tanda fanna ko ite dam mala nyi desay abuka balan but you fail to do that. Don't be able to comment section all the proposal you know, especially criticizing Dabo. When you criticize Dabo, you don't just make your opinion known, just for the record. Okay? But don't make it like your person. Ila party leader ko criticize, wake a person. Ila party leader replacement, wake a person. Anide mbadi ngomong correct de. Ala baraka bake o.